All right, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of October, 2022. Microsoft has had its earnings. Great, cool. Market crash. Price went down. Everyone is doing videos about it. Everyone is telling you all that, oh, it's fearful, it's recession, it's scary times. Look at this. I did a video in Microsoft right here on October the 14th, right? And I told you that I was looking for the price in Microsoft to go up. Now, is it just a coincidence that price in Microsoft before earnings came to where I said it was going to go? To my ultimate price target? Like, take a look. Go back and listen to my video on October the 14th. This is proof. This is evidence that you can actually predict when to get in and when to get out. Right before the market went down in Microsoft. And they try to tell you that you can't do this. I'm here to tell you that you can. I've been providing proof on this channel for years. Look at that. So congratulations to those who saw the same thing, who predicted the same thing, because you would have gotten 6.69% out the market. Now, if you didn't see that and you would have get out the last trade yesterday, you're down 3%. All right, now let's get back to it though. Let's look at the market in Microsoft. First of all, on the weekly chart, let me zoom out. We can see where the price is going. Like, we can see the direction, we can see the trend. So anyone that is telling you that Microsoft is a buy, they need to come and look at the chart first. If you can see and you look at the price chart on Microsoft and you see it going down, nobody should be telling you that it's a buy right now. I know a lot of YouTubers on this platform has been telling you all to buy the dips. Don't listen to them, because a lot of those stocks that they were buying back in 2020 and 2021, those stocks are now down 70-80%. And they've been telling you all to buy all the way down 60-70-80%. Let's look at Microsoft on the weekly. Okay, now take a look. This is the weekly price bar as it is now. We got 8 hours and 58 minutes left on, but check this out. Does that look bullish to you? No, it doesn't. Not only are we seeing price in Microsoft on this downtrend, not only have we seen the price get rejected on this long-term downtrend, the market in Microsoft also has a restriction area or resistance right here now. So this is even worse for the buyers. If you're trying to buy the market in Microsoft, this market right here is telling us that it's still weak, that the market is not buying it just yet, or at least price is not primed to go up higher. Not yet. Okay? I don't know what else to tell you. It is what it is. Everyone would like price to go up into perpetuity and forever, but that's not the world that we live in. You have to learn how to see both sides of the market in order to make profit and in order to minimize losses. So this market is telling us that you should not be buying the dip, if anything. Here it is. Let me show you all the monthly chart in Microsoft. Okay. So seeing that price is now hitting resistance at 250, the market resistance will now be at 240. We need to figure out where's the next area of support in Microsoft. Okay. Now check this out. Now let's talk about this, because this is the long-term trend in Microsoft. And I'm here to tell you right now, October 28th, 2022, this is going to be historic, what I'm saying right now, because once we see price in Microsoft break this trend, don't expect it to go up in the long term. I'm telling you that today, right now. Don't expect Microsoft to go up in the long term if we see this price break this trend line. This trend has been in place since 2018. 4 years. And you guys remember everyone who's been telling you to hold the stock for 5, 10, 15 years? Yeah. This is an indication that you may want to let this go if you've been in it since 2018. Because now this market is in jeopardy of breaking this trend. Right there. Okay? Just saying. So that's the first trend. This will be the second trend. Now, I really don't expect the market in Microsoft to go this low, but it's something that we need to consider, seeing that we are in a downtrend. Now, from where price is right now in Microsoft at 226, let's say it goes down to the second trend line. That's another 45% move to the downside. 45. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this one here though, because the market is definitely showing itself testing this trend line. All right, so now check this out. I'm looking for price to go down in Microsoft, right? But given that we are on a trend, or we are approaching the trend that started in 2018, this would have to be the first logical area for us to have a price target. Market already came here on the 12th of October and touched it right there around 220. Okay, now that is the only thing that's going to save Microsoft. Okay, now I suspect that the price is not going to hold this trend though. My price target now is going to be, well, obviously it's going to be 220. That's the first one, because we also need to consider that buyers may have a massive idea and begin to buy at 220. And before that happens, I definitely want us to get out the way and let them have it, and then we'll come back in and play it alongside, right alongside with them. But as of right now, my second price target outside of 220 is going to be around 212. I'll say around 212 to 210. My third one's going to be 200. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the daily and put this on the chart. First price target, let's see what we get in Microsoft. We said 220. So that's 2.85%. The second one was around 210. That's 7.25. And the third price target is 200. And that is what? Let me see. 11, almost 12%. And as long as price in Microsoft trades below 250, then the greater weight, the easiest direction for price to go is going to be down. All right, so that is it. I want you all to give me your thoughts, your perception now after earnings has came through in Microsoft, and where you think price is going to go. I think it's going to continue to go down. 220, 210, 200, all my three price targets, and I want you all to give me yours. All right, I'm through. I'm done. Give me your shot. Tell me your price prediction for Microsoft as we round the end of 2023, and let me know where we're headed. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. Hit the like button instead of being also subscribe, because you're not going to get it any easier than this, and I want you all to see and learn how to do this for yourself.